I'm gonna tell you what a piece of fucking shit this thing is. On maximum speed, and it's still so goddamn slow. Are you seeing this shit? Look right here, speed 5. On some fans, 1 is high and 5 is low, just like a Mitsubishi, although mine is 3 low, 1 high. Some fans have 1 as maximum speed, but not this fan. Still on speed 5 and accelerates so slow. Fuck you, shit ass crap. This replaced the National. But not those 1970s ones, the ones from the early 2000s. Crap ass shit.